Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2014 on a 14 plate Toyota Auris. This is the 1.8 petrol hybrid XL model, 5 doors, finished in Eclipse metallic, and it's covered just 31,000 miles. So have a good walk round. Boiling hot day here in Ross, and we've just had this Auris come in to us from a local couple. Originally registered by Toyota themselves as a demonstrator, and then the local couple have owned it ever since it was about 6 months old. 7 service stamps in the book, it's been serviced absolutely throughout its life. Comprehensive service history. Toyota history initially, and then locally serviced at an independent garage after that. Battery health checks done on time, we've got records of that within the paperwork. Unmarked 17-inch alloy wheels. We've just had them professionally refurbished, so they look lovely. Free road tax, of course, so there's no road tax to pay at all. 70 plus miles to the gallon, Toyota state as well. Lovely looking family hatchback. This is the XL model, so plenty of spec as well. You've got front and rear parking sensors, along with the reversing camera as well. And then as we take a look inside, lovely and tidy throughout on the interior. Of course, you get remote central locking. It's keyless start, so you've got a push button to start the car. Remote locking, 4 electric windows. You've got a little electronic lumbar support there as well. And then as we make our way in, of course, you've got the half leather seats. Nearly forgot. Half leather seats with the sort of white stitching, super condition, bolsters and everything exactly as they should be. Leather center armrest. And as we have a look down, you've got your park assist, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. Up onto the steering wheel, we've got controls for the Bluetooth and the radio. And then down below, you've got your cruise control, stalk, automatic wipers, and automatic lights as well. Then down below you've got a couple of cup holders, 2 remote keys, you've got your controls for the heated seats and cooling seats. So it really is jam-packed full of tech. This is your automatic CVT gearbox. You've got your electronic handbrake, 12-volt socket, USB and AUX, and then you've got your electric vehicle modes, eco mode, and your power mode. So we'll start the car up, or of a fashion. Obviously, electric most of the time. Engine cuts in when it needs the power. Obviously it's absolutely boiling today, and we've got all the aircon on and everything like that, so the engine will cut in. Nearly a full tank of fuel. There's the mileage, 31790. Dual zone climate, working a treat today. And then up to the infotainment, so you've got your layout of the car there. Then it's touchscreen, satellite navigation. There we go. Nice to have one with sat nav. Most of them have it sort of built in, but it's an added option to actually have it installed. DAB digital radio. Of course, you've got your Bluetooth for your telephone as well. And if I put the car into reverse, nice reversing camera. In the glove box, you've got your locking wheel nut set and also all your handbooks. And then in each door pocket, you've also got some cup holders as well. Clock. So really straightforward layout, simple to get on with, typically Japanese really. Into the rear, You've got your carpet mats throughout, and I'm pretty sure the rear of the car has never been sat in. 3 proper seat belts, so you can comfortably fit 5. Door shuts exactly as they should be. Of course, you've got the ISOFIX for the child seats, and if you do fold that middle seat down, you've got cup holders and an armrest in there as well. Good amount of headroom, should I say. So a proper family all-rounder. Electronic windows in the back. And then, like I say, you've got your parking sensors across the rear bumper and into the boot. Parcel shelf all intact, split folding rear seats, and then you've got this really good sized boot with a very small lip to contend with, hardly anything. And then underneath we've got plenty more, and it's come with a few extras. They can come with the car if you want them, or not if you don't. So there we have it. Auris Hybrid, 14 on a 14 plate, 31,000 miles, locally owned from 6 months old, with a comprehensive service history and just 31,000 miles. Price of the car, £9,990, finance available from less than £170 a month with a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT and service, 2 keys as I've said before, and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we are working on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, you will need to get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Popular cars, really good all-rounders, lovely and reliable. Don't think this one will be here long. Thanks for watching.